Hey guys, just checking in and thought we'd bring you along. We're just trying to get this roof sheeted and dried in. So what we're doing is we're installing our OSB. This is very unusual to run the joist like this. I'm sure people will have questions, but we just did it to lock in this beam. And yeah, so we're just going to be nailing off this plywood and getting the house dried in with this underlayment. So yeah, we're nailing right at all of our lines on our plywood. We laid everything out so that we'd be able to do that. And basically you get a nail every 6 inches around the perimeter and about every 10 inches out in the field. I usually use staples, but we didn't bring any. Careful not to walk off the roof when you're going backwards. And I think it's right here. Might be getting close to needing a battery. Again, we've caulked this line. They're getting a new roof, but it's going to be a few weeks, so we just sealed that up with leftover caulking out of the trailer. All right, Logan, start this across. And usually we just have a roll up here, but we have plenty of guys, so we just cut the length we needed on the ground, so we didn't have to fight with our roll. Let's go flush with your edge out there. Bottom edge on the line.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get it long enough on the side.
All right. And you want to pull it tight. Okay, pull that tight. Wrinkles out. You got to pull them wrinkles out with your foot. Nail your bottom and then pull the wrinkles out. Nail your bottom first, then pull your wrinkles out. You got to have somewhere to pull from. Now you take your foot, put it up like that. I guess you guys need to know this too, but you can't just go straight down. You kind of got to go upward motion like that. Look, look, like that. Get it? You're on camera.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta do it hard. Like that. Okay. Do it like you mean it.
Yeah, how you keep
like this. Put some mass into it though, look.
Yeah, I just keep bending it.
Dude. you're wanting to push forward, you're going down.
You gotta go forward. There you go. See what I mean there?
That's perfect.
Ooh, those bad ones. Dang, how much is that worth? But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to get a couple more pieces up here, seal it up really good, and tomorrow we'll work on putting the plywood and finishing the bottom off. Thanks for watching.